Number 8. Cape Town, South Africa. Cape Town has always been one of those cities that stops people mid-sentence when they try to describe it. The meeting of two oceans, a mountain rising dramatically from the heart of the city, vineyards rolling through a valley just 30 minutes from the waterfront. In 2026, its luxury offerings have matured into something genuinely world-class. Ellerman House, perched above Bantry Bay, offers perhaps the most extraordinary hotel experience on the African continent. The views alone justify the price of entry, but the wine cellar, the private art collection, and the level of personalized service elevate it into a category that very few properties globally can match. The Silo Hotel in the heart of the V&A Waterfront brings a different energy. A converted grain silo transformed into an architectural triumph with pillow-shaped windows that frame the mountain from every angle. What makes Cape Town particularly compelling for 2026 is the experiential depth available to luxury travelers. Private safari flights to the winelands, shark cage diving in Gansby with a research marine biologist as your guide, or a private sunset cruise around the Cape of Good Hope with a chef preparing fresh local seafood on board. Cape Town does not just show you beauty, it makes you feel it. Number 7. Rome, Italy. Rome is eternal, but Rome in 2026 has a particular electricity about it. The city has made significant strides in curating genuinely exclusive experiences for high-end travelers who have already seen the obvious landmarks and are ready to go deeper into the layers that most tourists never reach. Hotel de la Ville, perched at the top of the Spanish Steps within the Rocco Forte collection, offers views over the city's rooftops that feel almost criminally beautiful at sunset. The private rooftop bar has become one of Rome's most coveted social settings. Meanwhile, the recently restored J.K. Place Roma in the heart of the city delivers an intimate boutique experience that feels more like staying in a beautifully curated private home than a hotel. The experiences available to those with the right connections in Rome are extraordinary. A private Vatican museums tour at dawn before a single other visitor enters, organized through specialist experience providers, reduces one of the world's most visited sites to something that feels almost sacred. Dining at La Pergola, the only 3 Michelin star restaurant in Rome, with its panoramic terrace overlooking the city, remains one of the finest meals available anywhere in Europe. Rome rewards patience, and in 2026, it rewards investment.